So in this video, I want to take you through using the Torah Readers Tikkun. I've loaded here Parshat Vayeshev for Triennial Year 1. And down here, I have the definitions of each reading for that Parsha. I've decided I want to read the 6th Aliyah, Shishi. It has 6 verses in. And in order to go and learn it, I click on this icon here and it dynamically loads the text for that tikkun. On the right side, we have the text with all the vowels and the trope symbols. On the right, we have a view of what it looks like in the Torah without any punctuation. Clicking on a word on the right side highlights it in the left side, and vice versa. If I click on the Torah side, we see it on the Hebrew side with the Nikud. There's different views for the display. The first one is just showing it with Nikud. The second is the Stam version of what we would see in the Torah. And then we can come back to both. We have controls over the display, over the font size. We can increase the font size if we want. We can decrease it. And then to aid us in learning, we have different colorizations of the trope. So here we can color the patterns, the trope patterns, based upon standards that are implemented in your organization. So the colors are customizable according to your organization. And then we can see different views of the trope patterns. So the most common one would be a stacked view. Here we have the words in the correct order and separated by each pattern. So we start with Zakef Gadol, we go on to Mercha Tipcha et Nachta, and so on and so forth. And we can come and we can print this out together with the Torah view. So if we come to the print function, we can see here's the Torah view colored, and here is our stacked view of the different patterns that are used in this reading. We'll cancel that out and come back to the trope pattern, turn that off and look at pattern view. Pattern view just groups the patterns in the text according to their trope pattern, according to their clause. So these are all the instances in this reading that have a Mercha, Tipcha, Mercha, Sof Pasuk. Here we can see there's Azakef Gadol, and down here we see Dargat Avir, and so on and so forth. And this can be printed out as well. If you want to increase the font size here, you can click on the pattern font, and you can see that we're highlighting the trope symbols in this view. Let's go back to our regular view. We have the ability to translate really to any language using AI, and then clicking on a verse, on a word in a verse, we're able to load commentaries that are provided to us by Sefaria's website. So here we might find Rashi, and we can click on Rashi, and we can go down and see the explanation for this Torah reading, and then we can go straight to the source on Sefaria's website. Finally, for every single portion here, be it full or triennial, we have recordings, so we can click on the play and it will load the recording for this specific triennial Aliyah, the 6th Aliyah, for Parshat Vayeshev. We have recordings for the holidays, and we have recordings for almost every possible combination of double and single portions. With that ends the explanation on Torah Readers Tikkun.